How to edit name drop information on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your phone icon, go here and go to your contacts. Now under contacts, you will see my card here. Click on your card. Now basically, if anyone will call you, your name or your information will look like this. They will be able to see your phone, your game center name, so basically those information. So let's say you want to edit the name drop information, so all you have to do is on the upper right of that you'll see edit button. Click on edit button here, and basically if you want to change your name here, you can just click on that, erase that one, and go for this, and then you can actually add more phone number. You can even add your email. It really all depends on you, and you can set your own ringtone, and you can add your URL. You just have to go through that if you really want to edit your information, your name drop. So add something there, and someone calls you or contact you, they will be able to see those information that you have put in here. And basically if you're done, tap on done here, and basically that's it. And that is how you edit name drop information on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.